Our Lord General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi himself andithi asilibalanga into yoba ungumpethu okuthiwa njena alwe nobugebengu nationwide. So use Western Cape ke ngoba busy ngeoperation thizeni kwela cala lase Western Cape. Bafowethu, siyakha. Hayi ke ndifuna ukuthatha imicimbi nje emibini apha fast. Lo nguFadel Adams unamagama akawathethile xa beke interviewer nguDenzini. uDenzini ke yi-journalist ye-ENCA ibimbuza nje ngento ethizeni malunga nezi-laptops zakhe nanto yonke nje kubonakala ngathi ujongene nayo njengoba kubonakala ngathi iingxaki zikaFadel Adams zinengxaki zazo nje. So umbuza ngento ezifana nezo. Hayi bophi andithi angeke amiyeke uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu. Wangamyeki. Apha ekugqibeleni ndizayifaka ividiyo yakhona. Uthi apha ekugqibeleni uyamthuma ke because uDenson ixesha elininzi uba naye uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kwela cala lase KZN, but uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi use-Western Cape. Lo nguFadel Adams uyamthuma uthi aze amxelele into yoba mayilungiswe la room uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wayeke wathetha ngayo. Nizakhumbula mase uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthe ebhekele ku-ad hoc committee waba namagama atsho into yoba yazi xa benganikezwa nje iroom benoFadel Adams khona ongaphuma, khona ongeke aphume, khona ongasala. Wawakhipha nje amagama angathi afana nalawo. So uFadel Adams uthi hayi man mayilunge la nto lokwenza ngeroom. Ndathi simadoda, yazi sometimes uzorhalela ingathi bokuke kuthiwo nje kuthiwe nje for a second, for imizuzwana nje uyakwazi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi into yoba akathathe nje ibheji athi hayi nansi, okanye kuthiwe nje hayi nansi iring umdlalo nje because uyindoda esezingeni eliphezulu mos yena akayophuma silwa akayonto akazavele nje ayenze. But nje uba nawo nje lamnqondo into yoba kwekumadoda iwesi lo nguFadel njengoba ethuma nje. Hayi bo umthuma njani uGeneral khona pha kutshela angazifuneli yena mathupha khona cause ukhona pha. Hayi ke bafowethu niyamazi mos usaba khona ela xesha loba makaphefumule banikeza intambo ngakuye. Chiba ikhate yami phakama bheka khona. Xa ke wafika wanamagama kawatsho into yoba yazi yona iyafuna le nto into yoba siyijonge ngelinye ilihlo. Yazi kukhona apha xa kethetha khona ndemve thetha lisizana mani into yoba sizawuhamba thina sibheke kupension and iyawuba lusizi. Ibe buhlungu into yoba xa sijika sijonge emva sibona uba ezangxaki sasikhalaza ngazo zisesekhona and sibe ngekho into singaphinde siyenze. Bafethu undenze into yoba ndirhalele nantoni ekwazi ukuba mayenziwe ngoku kulwa nobugebengu wanye sesekhona. Bafethu mayenziwe. Bafethu nabani obona ubugebengu, be it ubona i-drug dealer ithengisa iziyobisi, shuta loo nto unthumelele yona. Uyabona ngoku ndiyarhalela into yoba sizawuthi nje let's make them trend. Makube yi-challenge uba let's make them trend. Nabani ombona esenza ubugebengu because uyatsho into yoba okunye ifana ngoku xa kukhalazwa ngobugebengu uva umphakathi utshetshe ufuna into yoba makudeploywe amajoni azazaza kwenza ntoni because imandate yamajoni iyabavimba nayo into yoba mabenza into ethile. How about la majoni xa edeployela into yoba azojonga into yoba bona i-shortcomings zabo bashota ngani bona bengamapolisa, as opposed into yoba kuvele kudeploywe amajoni ibaveze ngongathi noba amapolisa eyehluleka kube ukuthi kwamajoni lawo zikhona into abangakwazi ukungena kuzo, zikhona into abangazukwazi ukuzenza, like amajoni awakwazi uku-arresta. So iyafuna le nto into yoba noba nathi sirasa sifunana namajoni siwafune sisazi into yoba konje la majoni lawa kukhona apho engafikeleli khona. Habo bafethu wathi nje yona masizibuzeni into yoba ingabe le NPA nyani umsebenzi wokuprosecutor iwenza ngendlela right na. Masizibuzeni ingabe amapolisa la atrainwe enough, ingabe amapolisa la asezingeni eliright for ukulwa nobugebengu. Like zonke ubumbona into yoba ufuna ukuthatha kuzo zonke ezi-security clusters zethu okanye ezi-institution okumelwe zilwe nobugebengu. Wathi because if sizojumpa certain root cause kujampela into yoba hayi makudeploy amajoni nani amajoni ezokwethukana, but la ngxaki isoloko ikhona. Hayi ke wabesekelumelela nangale case bafethu yaseRegepark. Kune case apha bafethu I didn't touch on it because ithe ivela le case immediately ndabe ndisive into yoba hayi man kukhona into engadibani apha. So into eyenzekile ePeregebhag kubonakala ingathi kunamantombazana amabini aye adutyulwa. Ekuduyulelwa kwakhona ingathi ngabantombazana eRegebhag bafethu ke yindawo endake ndaya kuyo kabini in my life. Ndihlale eGauteng but I've only been there twice. For the first time ndandiye khona because kwakusisingcwabo. Hayi bafowethu ndathi ngisiye emodweni, hayi baza khona nje warning zoba ube careful nje ngubone. Okwesibini ndaya ndigqitha ke phofu but nakhona ekugqitheni kwami ndikhumbula kakuhle futhi ndafonelwa i-insurance company eyathi nje le ndawo ngena kuyo bonakala ingathi ungena kwindawo edangerous. So ikhona into enjalo, so indawo nje ngathi njalo. So kubonakala ngale lamantombazana amabini andazi bafethu noba bebeyothenga noba ibithi into yabo but ke bokuse ebusuku badutyulwa. Xa bedutyulwa kunamapolisa okubonakala ingathi bebengekho kude kakhulu bathi mabayosabela. Bayile bafethu bayosabela bathe befika hayi bagagana nembila zithutha kwabona batshona. Le ivideo it is when omnye wabo bekengcwaywa ke bafowethu izolo, hayi zimbhabhayisile bafowethu colleagues. Kumnandanga ukubona amaphoyisa wethu ezafa efela ukuyosabela. Into engathi njalo. Hayi akubanga kudala bafowethu yayakhona into ethi hayi uGaten Mackenzie uthi hayi ngathi unolwazi into ba kubani esisigebengu sibulela abantu yilili helele. Hayi futhi ngambona futhi ba ungene egabhu uGaten Mackenzie ungene kangaka kulento. Sharp. Hayi yathetheka lonto le kwathwaza kune-arrest eseyikhona. Hayibo ndikhunjuzwa into lento because nakhona nje bendisithi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthatshile kuyo. It is because I think based on information ibiphumile ba kunomfana obanje wabanjwa lo mfana lona. So wanayo into etshoyo ba nayo uGeneral Nhlanhla kuba kuthiwa lubeke ngumgila mkhuba lo mfana lona nangoku he was out on bail and kungenzeka into baphinda afumane ibail kwathini. Hayi kishapu ubanjiwe ke lo muntu obanjiwe. Hayini bafowethu kuthe kungephi kwavele esinye istory sithi hayi man sokune CCTV even umama yakhe ke phofu bekesilwa nje bethinye idolo phansi sithi not ngumntanakhe umntanakhe innocent uphume sengathi sokudutyuliwe pha. Hayi ke yakhona uGaten Mackenzie ngokuthetha kwakhe wathi yena bamfonelile especially besithi futhi ngathi bafuna nje ukuthetha naye. Ekuthetheni kwakhe uGaten Mackenzie wangumuntu othi umbulali lona uyamazi yena, so uye wabuya banjwa umfana lo appear ke court case yakhona isapostponiwe. Hayini bafowethu kuvela into enje ngokungathi sokune CCTV eseyiveli CCTV leyo eyenza into ba kudawuthweke ncame into ba ngangilamfana because ingathi istory sakhona simveza sekephuma ngongathi sokududyulwene uphuma ngathi uze ngathi uya-ajuwa nalo muntu ohaleleka ingathi nguye odubulile. So bafethu istory sakhona especially because angasiva from emapoliseni andifuni andithandi ncame ukunizela nento engaphatheki nca but ndiza nayo because uGeneral wethu uye wathatha kuyo. So ile nto ndizithi nje manigqithile nje umntana ebhedi. Hayi ke bafowethu zininzi nje into akasethi but nje engichukumisile yandenzela ixhala kulapho ethe khona sizawuhamba sizaya kwipension enye le ngxaki sizayishiya ngemva. Enye ndinexhala loba izinto zingajika zibe worse than the ways kungakhona. So bafowethu let us utilize ama-platforms wethu for uba nathi sincedisane ekulweni kobugebengu. Phofu ke noKhashaliya wayeke watsho nini noba umphakathi ucela into yoba mawuncedisane nathi. Ndamangaliswa into yoba kaloku sometimes sithi xa sincedisana nabo kube ngathi we need to stay kwilane zethu asingathathi umsebenzi wamapoliseni ezandleni zethu. But ke naye uminister of ipolice ndowavakale wakhipha amagama afana nalawo. Awu madoda yena uthula vela khona avele sekelahlela amagadi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yini iqanda le-country lingaselihle nje lichebile ke shem liklini nje linit. Uke wangena ke nakuma roadblock ke wabonakala nje kuma roadblock ndathi ke ndatinake
our system response, the institutions of government that has been put in place. We have the police. Are they credible enough to do the work? Do you understand what goes into the curriculum for a police officer to be skilled to go and serve someone? Are you satisfied with that skills given and the credibility of a police officer? Are you happy with a prosecutor that is employed by government to prosecute people for the wrong they've done? So are the judgments, decisions that are coming from the courts for the people that have done wrong? Regebhag and a youngster killed 4 people. He was out on bail by the very same laws that are written by the country. He's in today, he's going to be in court the other day, and he's going to be given bail again, trust me. Then he's going to go out and kill again. The finger goes back into the police. So until we understand this whole value chain system, can continue fighting. And we'll fight. All of us as officials are going on pension. We'll be sitting there and say, okay, we are no longer part of it, and the problem is still there. So what must happen next? So my plea to everyone, from government and from the officials themselves and public at large, can we pause and really ask ourselves a question? What is the problem with crime in our country and how to solve it? Crime instead is seen in this country as a South African police performance management. It is not. Crime is an indication of a problem that exists in society. So everyone must ask themselves a question. The mother, the parent of the child, what is their role? Where are their failures? What punishment does government give to the parent for failing to play their part? And what then does a civil servant, an employee of government, is failing to do? And what his government responsibilities are? What are they failing to do? It cannot be that when there's failures somewhere, the people are not being punished. And until a person commits crime and the person who's committing crime then gets punished. There are many other factors that are contributing. So that is my plea as we are having this opportunity, Honorable Chair and members, that we mustn't always be fighting all the time. And the rush of saying military go there, I know that does not come from the state president. It comes from the very same public and parliamentarians. And then there's pressure, then the SNDF is deployed. But the person who's supposed to be held accountable is us as a police. We are not asked what is our failures, what is our shortcomings. If you feel that the SNDF is needed, rather ask the SNDF and say, come and assess the failures of the police. They will come and do an assessment. And then they can produce a report to you with recommendation of saying the police are having shortcomings here and here and here. Perhaps this is what they must do differently. Then to say, come with the tankers and deploy. Because what are they going to do? The perception is that when the public sees someone with a rifle, they're going to stop doing crime. That's a wrong perception. What we don't realize is the very same people committing crime are ex-police officers, are ex-military people. So they fear less. They will continue. So I don't want to make much of a speech, Honorable Chair. I feel, let me take this opportunity to thank you for being here. And I'm sure the members that had an opportunity to vent out their frustrations, we will get feedback on those, and I'm sure that the generals will be able to attend to them. But I can commit that what we've received today, we will share that with the Acting National Commissioner, and it's going to be discussed at the net joints and other structures. Thank you so much.
Thank you, General Konazi.
This is what got.
Let's just look at all of the things that people are saying on social media. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm going to ask you all those questions in a quick fashion here, right? Let's start with the issue of this door. Show me with your hands. Show me how big this door is. The gap at the bottom.
I actually checked. That will slip under the door.
Okay. Now
don't judge me for my cell phone, guys. This is what cartel members carry these days.
Because people are asking now, are rats going to go under your door? Are snakes going to go there? Because there are no cameras there also.
It's funny that people should mention snakes because the snakes wear blue uniforms with 3 stars on their shoulders. I'm just saying.
Someone say you're fighting corruption, but you can't fight for a better laptop. Why is that?
Well, I'm not that tech savvy, first of all. Secondly, at Parliament, they make you wait for everything. So for me, it's a case of the laptop's frozen, take it in, IT guy, there I go again. It's locked me out, there I go again. What am I supposed to do? Fix my own laptop?
Well, now that's the other thing.
I didn't even finish school. How am I going to fix my own laptop?
The trip in the van.
Yeah.
Was it really a long trip from Cape Town to Durban in the back of the van?
30 hours. The worst storm Cape Town, the Western Cape had seen in 5 years.
Yeah.
Side covers removed. I was swimming in the back, bro. Let me tell you this. How come you people aren't asking me these questions?
Which questions?
Why is the AGU receiving 7 million rand per year to fight 3,000 murders? And the PKT is receiving 100 million rand a year to investigate one murder, 2025, the budget was 100 million.
Are you going to talk about it?
We're going to talk about this because the country doesn't want to hear it, because colored lives mean nothing here.
What have you learned from this entire process so far?
Exposing corruption in this country is a dangerous business.
Mm-hmm.
My advice to anyone who's not really brave, if you know of anything, rather shut up. Information comes via phone call,
Yeah.
via envelope,
It can't come via email.
conversation. No, listen to me. People are scared. People are scared of losing the jobs. They come to
Yeah.
me. What must I do? Say, no, I don't want to report this. I will report it and I don't give a crap who it is. And remember, my very first interview with BuzzNews,
Yeah.
I told them, who wants to fight intelligence? I said, I don't want to fight intelligence. They're in your phone, they're in your laptop, they're everywhere. But you know
Yeah.
what? I decided I wouldn't back off. I'll fight intelligence. I'll fight Mkwanazi too. Speak to your boy when you see him. You tell him, I'm still waiting for him to send me the address where that room is, because I'm leaving with his front teeth.